Hi guys. Sorry guys, I was muted and I was talking. What are you doing in school, Manidhi?
In school, I think we're learning about polynomials right now. If I'm not.
Mm. How about you, Avyukt?
Um, we haven't changed it yet. Yesterday we just had our math test.
Yesterday, oh, math test. How did you do?
I did good. I was able to improve on my score.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. So, what I can do for you guys, you're all doing polynomials. Uh, okay. So, I was doing rational expressions and radical. Okay. Did you have any questions on the homework, guys? Did you have any questions on the homework? Jay, what are you doing in school? Can you educate me, please?
We're learning properties of exponents.
Oh, exponents and radicals, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, each of you are doing one thing. Okay. Uh, who else can I ask? I'm wondering. Nobody. Okay. Okay, for you, they're using polynomials. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me go ahead and finish whatever I was doing. Okay. And then move on to exponential functions. So that way, we'll at least do what we need to do. Okay. Any questions on the homework? Hey, Johan, are you going to do the CB thing?
I need to check with my parents.
Okay, you don't know yet. Okay. So, okay. So, let me see. Any questions on the homework, ma? 525 to 530. 535, were you able to do 535? I'm a little surprised. But several of you have not submitted. Is there a reason? Guys, I need to know, right? Several of you have not attempted the homework. What does it mean? Did you not know or did you not get the time to submit? What is going on, guys?
Auntie,
Yeah.
I did my homework and then I finished it on Monday
Mm.
and I photoed it and all, and then I wasn't able to like send it to you. I didn't have the Google Classroom link, and on Tuesday and Wednesday, like I have classes, so like I couldn't do anything about it.
Oh, so you have done it is what you're meaning, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, then let's review where we are. If we are good, I'll move on. Okay. Because see, till you have I see the homework. Avyukt, you have done the homework, right, Avyukt?
I did the first one, not the second one.
What do you mean by that? First one, not the second one.
I mean, I did the book thing, and but I was not able to finish the
Oh,
test yet.
exit ticket, you can do it later.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. See, I'm not bothered about the exit ticket now. Okay, so let's review and then I can go to geometric sequences, and before geometric sequences, maybe I'll cover polynomials. I don't mind. Okay, let's see. Let's see where we are first. You have to log in. If you all log in on time, then it's easy to start as well quickly. Okay. So let me go ahead. Let me share my screen. I'll give you some problems. Let me see where we are, and then based on where we are, I'm going to proceed. Okay. So how about this? If you do the Jay, were you able to attempt the homework?
Yeah, I did the quiz and the homework, but I didn't submit it yet.
Oh, but you did it.
No, I still have a couple pages left, but I haven't submitted it yet.
Okay, but you tried, so I can believe that you guys can solve. Correct. Let's see. How about this? X power of 10 power 1 by 5 divide by square root of x power of 8. What is the answer, guys? You can do this, but you know what? I really want some complicated problems. Wait. Let's see, guys. Okay, I have a couple of answers, which is good. Hey, Kavin, I'm sorry I saw your mom's message but didn't get to call her back. Please tell her that I will call her back sometime.
Okay, I will.
But without fail, convey to her, okay?
Okay.
But okay, did you try the problems as much as you tried? It's great. It's something to share. Oh, yes. Just wait, Avyukt, wait, Avyukt, at the end. Let's see. 1 by, yeah, Samanvi. Oh, where did you get that? Where did you get that denominator 2, ma? Vikyat, yeah, it looks like you know how to solve, but can you recheck once?
Wait, I just have a quick question. I think I was reading it wrong. When it says x to the power of 10, is it times one by 5 or to the power of 1 by 5?
To the power of 1 by 5, right?
Okay, sorry. I thought it was times 1 by 5. I got
Oh, no
confused there.
problem at all. Sorry for my writing. That's right. Oh, Kavin, good job. Oh, many of you are able to follow, guys. I'm so proud. I feel very good. Jay, how about you?
I sent my answer, Mr.
Oh, you sent. Oh, wow. Nice, Jay. That's right. Uh, Jay, do you want to check quickly once? You are right, but something is wrong. Harshat, not really. Where did you get the 4, Harshat?
Oops.
Dhruv, can I get your answers, Dhruv? Lakshmita, can I get your answers? Arush?
I'm doing Miss Priya.
We are just reviewing what we discussed last week. I'm going to move on to polynomials maybe. Harshat, that's not simplified at all. You see, Harshat?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to simplify that, right, ma? Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys.
105. What's up?
There.
That's right. Okay. Jay, did you see where was the mistake?
No, I'm confused.
Okay, no problem. I will do it. Lakshmita, did you get your answer? Rushita, we are working the problem on the board. Do you think you can simplify that? Did you get to work with the homework, Rushita?
I'm almost done with it, but I just have a few more questions left.
Okay. What are you doing in school, ma?
We were working on graphs inequalities.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you see that, Jay?
Oh, yeah, I see my mistake.
Okay, no worries. Okay, let me move on. Okay, I have more problems to try. I'm going to review a little bit more. But it's good. Many of you are answering. At least those of you who did the homework are answering. Okay, that's good. Let's see.
Wait, Miss Priya, for the previous question, the denominator was x 1 by 2, right?
1 by x squared.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this one. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? I didn't do a word problem last week. Let's see. Okay, how about this? A technician uses a model where the signal strength S varies with distance d meters given by the equation. Can you find out S when d equal to 16? It's a good word problem. Second one is a good one as well. First one, you're going to first send the answer for A. I just want to see whether you're able to do. Good job, Ashrita. Harshad, good job. Kavin, nice. Avyukt, nice. I really want you to all get to B as well. B is an inequality though. B is an inequality. That is a hard one, guys. That is a hard one. I don't know how you guys did it. You can express as a radical or an exponent, meaning you won't get a nice answer. So basically you can express it as a radical, or you can give me a number with an exponent. You don't need to use calculators. Yeah, Rushi, that's right. Jay, Arush, Dhruv, I have not got your first answer. Vikyat, Harshat, Dhruv, that's correct.
You told me that I answered the.
1 minute, ma. Then I don't remember honestly. Yes, ma, Harshat. B. I'll wait for you. Correct,
Okay.
Lakshmita on A. B is what you need to send. Now, Dhruv, coming to your answer, right? D is less than or equal to. But C, I think that's not correct. What is the. Dhruv, can you shout out your answer?
For the second part,
Yeah.
D is less than or equal to 4 cube root of 12.
Cube root of 12. Oh, cube root of 12.
Yeah, I didn't find how to like put the
Oh, I see. 4.
three.
No, that's not the answer. You took out. No. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if this. Yeah. Oh, you got the answer. As a decimal, can you put in the calculator and see what is the decimal equivalent of it?
Okay.
Oh wow, Kavin, good job. Did you learn that at school?
We're starting to learn about it.
Oh,
We're just
but
starting to
everything
learn.
what you learned here, are you doing that?
Yeah. Just a little.
Interesting. Okay, very interesting. Okay. Yeah, that seems right, Madhuru. I'm checking. Wait. That doesn't seem right, Dhruv. Something is missing. But I think you know the knack, but you're not doing it right. Guys, for the second one seems a little hard. Can I try doing it? For the first one, what happened? Arush? Jay, what happened? Did you understand how to do the first question?
No, I got confused.
Okay. Akshita, what happened, Akshita? That doesn't seem right. So you're going to plug in, right? So S will be equal to 144 by 10 power of 3 by 2. How can you do this? 144 is what? 12 times 12. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3
Miss
is
Priya,
Yama.
it says 16, not 10.
It says 16. Ah, see honestly, my eye did not see that because of that arrow that was in there. I'm glad. Thank you, ma. 16, what are they saying? See, 16 power 3 by 2, thanks Nidhi, can be written as 16 power 3 times 1 by 2. Correct, guys? This can become a radical. So when you think about it, 16 is what? 4 times 4 times 4. This is 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is repeated 3 times. So now, right, it's repeated 3 times. 4 times 4, 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16 cube, whatever is inside. But that is also square rooted. So what happens here? What comes out? One of the 4 come out, one of the 4 come out, one of the 4 come out. So what remains outside? 4 times 4 times 4. Inside there is a 4. Okay. And then there is another 4, there is a 9. So these two get cancelled. You are left with 9 by 4. Any questions, guys? Any questions on that? The second one seems a little difficult. I don't know how to do. Let's see. The strength S must be at least 3 units. Meaning, strength S must be at least 3 units. Means, so basically your expression 144 by D power 3 by 2 is your strength. Okay, that should be greater than or equal to 3. Am I making sense? This is the strength part, right? Should be greater than or equal to 3. So, what can I do? Let's see. If I solve this, what am I going to get? I don't know. Let's see. 144 by 3. D power of 3 by 2. So, both sides, I will go to the power of 2 by 3, power of 2 by 3. Does that make sense, guys? If I do that, this will get cancelled. This side will become D, right? Now 144 to the power of 2 by 3 is 144 times 144. Then it is cube rooted. Okay. Divide by, 3 to the power of 2 by 3 again. That's a complicated one. Let's see what happens. So what do I have here? 144 is what actually? 12. Let's see what happens. Okay. 144 is what? 12 times 12. So we have 12 times 12 times 12 times 12 power of 1 by 3. Denominator, what do I have? 3 to the power of 2 by 3. Let me proceed with this. Okay. Now what happens here? 2, 2, 4. 4 times 3. Again 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Any questions, guys, here? Do you have any questions still here? Divided by 3 to the power of 2 by 3. Now, what can I do about this? How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see? So, 2 to the power of 8 by 3. What can I do about it? Let's see. Let's see about it later. Now, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 to the power of 4 by 3. Divide by 3 to the power of 2 by 3. This and this, the same base, different exponents, you have to subtract. So 2 power of 8 by 3 times 3 to the power of 2 by 3. Any questions still here? Any questions still here? Now let's go ahead and try this out. What is this? 2 to the power of 8 by 3, how can I write it as a number? 8 by 3 cannot be there. It has to be a nice fraction. So can I write it out as 2 to the power of 8? This is cube rooted. Cube rooted in the sense, for every 3 2's, 1 has to come out. So This becomes 2 to the power of 2 by 3 times 3 2's came out. Meaning instead of 6 2's, I can write 2 2's outside. Right? So 4 times 2 power of 2 by 3, 3 power of 2 by 3. Any questions, guys? Any questions on that? Any questions on that? So now let's go back. Here, what happened? So what is the maximum distance? That means this is your maximum distance, right guys? D is or less than or equal to this, means this is the max value of distance. Did you guys get it?
Did you print AM126 and 1B?
Did you get it? Did you have any questions on this? Harshad, did you follow?
I have one question.
Yes, please.
For the 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 1 by 3, when you went down to 4 times 2 to the power of 2, but I didn't understand that part.
Sure. 2 to the power of 8 power of 1 by 3 is what? This is 8 by 3, right, Harshad? How do you write 8 by 3? See, this is 6 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
What is this?
2.
2. So it is like writing 2 square times 2 to the power of 2 by 3. That's why I made it as 4 times 2 power of 2 by 3.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Because whatever exponent you write, right, it should be a proper fraction. Improper fraction, you can always write a number times a number power rational exponent. You got it? You cannot have numbers like 12 by 7, because suppose let's say this is 2 to the power of 12 by 7, you can write it out as 2 to the power of 7 by 7, 2 to the power of 5 by 7. Because when you add the exponents, you get 12 by 7. This is 2 to the power of 1. So this is 2 times 2 power of 5 by 7. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Are you following? Akshita, Johan, are you following, guys? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see, guys. I'm going to give you some easier problems. I really want to get convinced that you all know for me to move on to polynomials. I just want to give you these questions. Let's see. Some easier questions. Yeah, why don't you simplify this and tell me? Okay, see, this is a common one. This is the common one that comes in your EOC exam. Okay, it's a very common one. This is the questions like this come in your EOC, end of course algebra 1 exam. You want to try this one? It's just skill based. Able to solve, guys? Did you get it, guys? Yes, I have have some answers, which is good. Oh, good, Dhruv, good job. Avyuk, good job. Ah, Avyuk, can you check, or is there a typo? Can you check? Lakshmita, that's guys, small mistakes. Lakshmita, there is some minor mistake. This is exactly a problem you might get in your EOC. Yeah, Vikyat, very good job. Vikyat, you're not learning algebra 1 at school, right, Vikyat?
No, ma'am.
You're really doing well. Good job. So, based on whatever you're learning here, you're doing these?
Yeah, I'm just practicing the assignments and writing down the notes that you
Oh,
done on the
very
board.
nice. Very nice. You will find it very easy next year.
Okay, thank you.
Kavin, good job. Why you're not sure, Kavin? Whatever you're doing is right. Not really. Jay, do you want to do it on the board? Shall we do it together? Someone be correct, ma. Jay, do you want to do it on the board? I can help you,
sure.
Jay. Come on. I'll help you. I'll work with you and see. Go ahead. What do you
Okay, so a basic wait, can I just explain it to you?
Yeah, go ahead. No,
So
I'll
basically,
go ahead step by step.
I did 2a to the power 3b minus 2 twice. I wrote down twice.
Okay, let
I
me
times
do
it by
it.
each other.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, I just
And
want to know
then
how you're working.
put both of those in like parentheses. And then times it by 4a minus 1 power.
Okay.
Yeah. And then after that, I got 4 a6, and then
1 minute, ma. 4, but this is 2 times 2 times 4, right?
no, for like the first two equations, I'm doing it first two equations, and after that I'll do the third
Oh, okay,
one.
okay, go ahead. What is that?
So then I got 4
Uh,
a6 a to the power 6, and then b4. I mean, yeah, no, wait.
B minus 4, right?
B minus 4. Then I do parentheses, and then 4a minus 1 b3.
Correct. And then?
And then oh yeah, and then wait, do you times the 4 or just add the 4?
For times, right? Because there's no
Alright,
operation.
then 6. Oh yeah, that's where I messed up. 16, and
Doesn't
then
matter. We'll just learn. 16.
16, and then 5, a5, and then the negative b negative 1
Good. Everything is right. Okay. And then?
divided by a b, and then I messed up there.
Don't worry. Number by number. What is the answer?
1 by 2.
2, ma. 16 by 8 is 2.
Oh yeah. My
2.
bad.
A power of 5 by a power of 1 is what? A with A. Only like people will like talking to
a6.
each
So
other.
wait, do you minus or?
Minus, right? Because
Oh,
in
so
division.
a4.
Yes, and then b power of minus 1 by b. What do you do with this? Again, division, you have to subtract. So start from here. Minus 1, minus 1. What is the answer?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. But you cannot express your answer as negative exponents. When it is up, push it down. When it is down with a negative exponent, push it up. Here it will become 2a power of 4 by b square. Got it, guys?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, this is good. Okay, let's see. What else? Okay, one simple question. Okay, let's see whether you answer that. Okay. How about I don't know the nested radical. Okay. How about this? I really want, let it be for a discussion. Okay, I'm not going to ask a particular person. Okay, whoever wants, you can answer. But there are two students arguing over this. Who is right? I just want to know, there are two students who argue over this, which is right. Which student is right? Good, Avyut. Dhruv, why not B? You have to substantiate why not B. So you have to substantiate. If you're saying one student, you have to substantiate. Good job, Kavin. Rushi, why not B? Saman B, why not B? That puts me off, ma. Yeah, let's see. I really want you to do one last problem in this and I'll move on to polynomials. I think. How about this?
Wait, what are we doing? My internet crashed.
We are doing student A is right or student B is right?
Oh, okay.
Harshad, I don't want you to be doing other things as well when we are in class.
No, but my internet crashed and I wasn't able to.
Okay. Rushi, is B not right, you think, Rushi? Good job, Nidhi, that's right. J. Okay, guys, both are right. Okay, some of you have not said the correct answer. Both are right. Why? See, this is like the rational exponent is the 1 by 3. Whatever is inside, you write it as it is. X square. The rational exponent is 1 by 3. You multiply both. So it becomes x power of 2 by 3. Here, when there is no number, it's a square root, right? So you write it as it is x cube. But then the rational exponent becomes 1 by 2. You multiply the 2, it becomes 3 by 2. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Both students were right. Okay, this is the last problem in our review for today. Go ahead with this.
Hey, Miss Priya, are we supposed to tell whether it's correct or not? You're muted.
Thank you, ma. Express I with positive exponents. With positive, simplify. Positive exponents. Simplify. I should have written simplify I. One second, guys. Give me 1 minute, okay? You can do this problem. I just need a sheet of paper for the next problem. Let's see. We'll begin polynomials. guys? Go ahead. Oh wow, Kavin, good job. Avyuk, good job. Okay, I think we'll move on, guys. We are just Ashrita. What is the answer, Ashrita? Where is A?
That was from the other problem.
Oh, okay, I'll wait. Lakshmita, correct, ma. I'm waiting on this answer. Jay, can you check again once? You're doing it right. You know the logic. That's right, Rushi. Harshit, not really.
1 second, I forgot to do something.
Not at all a problem. You can redo. Can I do it quickly and move on? I feel like I'll do. Arush, you're not answering, which is not fine for me, you know.
I did answer.
For this one?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I didn't see, honestly. Yes,
Oh.
Arush. Thank you, Arush. Sorry, Arush.
You're welcome, Miss Priya.
2s square. I'm just worried if you guys don't answer right, what will happen? It's an online class, so I'm a little worried. That's all. Thank you. Ashrita, you made a minor mistake, lady. But nobody is going to say it's a minor mistake or a major mistake. It is not the answer.
Okay.
I did it.
You did it. Okay, let me check, but let me first do this. Okay. 2 r power of minus 1 s power of 3 divided by 3r. That is complicated. Lakshmita, correct, ma. Ashrita, correct, ma. Samanvi, correct. Oh, many of you got it. Okay, that's good. Not really, Harshat. Okay. Jay, I didn't get your corrected answer, but I'm going to go ahead, okay? This is basically 3 square. Bring the half inside. 3 square power half is 3. R power of 4 power half is R square. S power of minus 2 power half is S power of minus 1. Then you have a 2 R power of minus 1 S power of 3 by 3R, right? 3 and 3 will get cancelled. R square by R is just 1R. And then what do you have? You have R, S power of minus 1. Then you have 2, R power of minus 1, S power of 3. R power of 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. S power of minus 1 plus 3 is what? S square times 2. So answer is 2s square. Any questions, guys? It is just focus, nothing else. If you know the rules, it's just focus. Can I move on? Okay, I think we'll move on. Okay, we have spent too much time. I already gave the exit ticket for this as homework, and then I kept on discussing. You know what? Sequentially, we should be moving on to exponential equations. But let me do polynomials. Let me give you a start on polynomials. Let's see what is school sequence. If you can tell me a school sequence, I'll help you with that too. I don't mind doing anything, okay? So, what is a polynomial, first of all? Do you all know what a monomial is? This is monomial. What is monomial? It is just an expression consisting of, it can have a number, it can have an variable, okay? The thing is, but you should know how to identify monomials, okay? The number and the variable, right? It is always a product of numbers and variables. Let me write this down. So I can define a monomial as product of numbers and variables with whole number exponents. With whole number exponents. That's the best way. Can I move on? How about this? Minus 4xy. Is this a monomial? Is this a monomial?
No, because it doesn't have exponents.
It can. See, with whole number
Oh,
exponents,
okay.
it has, right? Power 1 is an
Oh,
exponent, right? It is a monomial, okay? Now, how
okay.
about xy power by 4? It is a monomial. Why? This is a power divide by 4. So a number is 1 by 4 times xy. The exponents are only whole numbers. How about this? 0.7 x power of minus 2. How about that? Is it a monomial? Is it a monomial? Guys, it's okay to go wrong,
No.
right? You know the class.
No.
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 Why, ma? 0.7 x power of minus 2. Why do you think it's not a monomial? Let's clarify that, right? It is a monomial, okay? But why do you think it's not a monomial?
I thought it wasn't a monomial because the number wasn't a whole number, or is that just for the exponents?
Okay, it is the exponent should be whole numbers.
Okay, so it's just the exponent.
Yes. Okay, these number, the coefficients, these are called coefficients that come with the variables. Coefficients can be anything, a fraction, decimal can be anything. You got it?
Well, the number isn't a whole number.
Wait, whole number. Here it's not a monomial, it's a minus 2, right? If it was a plus 2, this is a monomial. I'm glad. Whereas, let's say this one, 0.7 x power of minus 2. Oh, what are whole numbers then? What are whole numbers? What are whole numbers?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why there was a minus 2, right? That was not a monomial. If it was a plus 2, it's a monomial. Can I move on?
Miss Priya?
Yes, Mavyuk. Sorry, you raised your hand. I did not call you out. Tell me.
Yeah. Could you bring up what was written on the screen before, like for the definition of a monomial?
I'm so afraid. Hold on. I have to get it. I don't know whether it will come. Wait. This one?
Yes, thank you. I need to write it down.
No problem. You don't need to write any of these. Just, it's there in the book.
Oh, okay.
Exactly there on page number 673.
Okay.
Can I move on?
Right. Yes.
Okay. Now, monomials have exponents as whole numbers. Okay, that's all. Okay, how about this? What do you think about this? 4x power of 1 by 2. Is this a monomial? Nidhi, you can say.
No.
No, this is not a monomial because of this exponent, right? How about this? X square plus 4ab. What is this, guys?
That's a binomial.
Oh, wow, nice. It's a binomial. Why? Bi means 2, right? This mono means one expression. Monomial. Mono means one expression. Here you have two different exponents, the monomials added together. So it becomes binomial. How about this? 4x square plus 3x plus 2. What is that?
Trinomial?
Trinomial, correct. Trinomial. It just goes on. After this, we don't have patience, okay? After this, if you have something like this, right? We won't say quaternomial and all. We just say polynomial. You see how it goes? Monomial is just one single expression, right? Then you have binomial. Then you have trinomial. Then you have polynomial. Do you have any questions?
Auntie, on the 4x squared plus 3x plus 2, 2 doesn't have a variable on it though. So does that still count?
Good question. 2 is a monomial. Why? This is x power of 0. Good question.
Oh.
2, I'm glad I did not discuss that. I should have discussed that, I feel. The number 5 is a monomial. Why? Because this is 5 times x power of 0. Does that make sense, guys? Harshad, good job bringing it up. Can I move on? What are you doing? Did you do it? Good job. How much did you get?
Well, I haven't exactly corrected it yet.
How about this?
It's fine.
What is the degree of this monomial? We are introducing new concepts. Okay, if you want, you write down. But these are quite important. Okay, this form the basis for your algebra too. I really want you to understand. What is the degree of this monomial? What is the degree of this monomial? How to say that? What is the power of x? Now, leave the constants. Don't worry about the constants. Whatever powers are, you're going to add them. Meaning, doesn't matter. X has a power of 1, y has a power of 2. So, the degree of this monomial is 3. Any questions? I'll do one more. 5x cube. Oh my god, my eyes are becoming bad. Y cube z. What is the degree of this monomial? 3 plus 3 plus 1. What is it? 7. Any questions? What did we learn now? We learned what a monomial is. We tried to identify monomials. How about this? K. No. Let me put it. 2 by k square. Is this a monomial? Is this a monomial? Guys, you can say the right answers. I don't mind wrong or right or whatever.
Yes.
How? K is the denominator. If you write it like this, 2k power of minus 2, this is not a whole number, correct?
Oh, okay.
So, it is not a monomial. Am I clear?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
how did you change 2 over k squared to 2k
Good
exponent?
question, Ashrita. We have been time and again discussing that if it is k power of minus 2, I can push it down to make it a positive exponent. If it is down as a negative exponent, you push it up to make it a positive exponent. Makes sense?
Wait, but isn't it positive in the denominator?
Yeah, it's positive in the denominator, but you should write it like this, right?
Okay, that makes
When you
sense.
write it like that, it becomes a negative exponent, and so it is not a monomial.
Okay.
Make sense? Did that make sense, ma'am? Now,
Yeah.
suppose let's say I write out a polynomial like this. What type of polynomial is this? One of you tell me. What type of polynomial is this?
Binomial.
Binomial. Good job. All the while I was always asking for the degree of a monomial, correct? Here I give you a polynomial. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of the polynomial, to find it out, you have to go one by one. Go to the monomial. What is its degree? Go to this monomial. What is its degree? The highest is the degree of this polynomial. The highest is the degree of the polynomial. Any questions? Akshita, are you following, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, good. Shall I erase this? Now I have more things for you. Now, guys, sometimes we have to follow some conventions, okay? If we don't follow conventions, we'll get confused. We won't know what the other person is saying many a time, right? So we have to follow some conventions, okay? Now here, let's say this is a polynomial. Mathematically, we cannot accept this written this way, okay? There is a standard form in which you have to write polynomials. Standard form of polynomials instructs you to write it from the highest degree, meaning when you write out this polynomial in standard form, you go to the highest degree of the first you write this down here, and then the next lower degree plus 5x cube, then plus 4x. Any questions? Any questions? So this is the standard way. The leftmost with the highest degree is there, right? That should be leftmost. And then the degree should descend. X power of 4, x power of 3, x squared. You got it? So that's the right way of writing the standard form of a polynomial. And the coefficient that accompanies the highest degree is called the leading coefficient. See, let me write it correctly, leading coefficient.
Miss Priya?
Yeah.
So what if there was two of the same highest degrees?
Good question. Very nice question. You're asking 6x cubed plus 4x square plus 13x square plus 3x. Is it? This is what you're asking, right?
No, where the exponents like the same. Yeah, like that. No, but it has to be the highest.
Okay, yeah, anything. Okay, let me come there. You're also asking about this scenario wherein it's like this, is it?
Yeah.
See, however it is, right, these are like terms. I can cross them out and write it out as 17x square. Like terms always like to combine. You got it?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay, so you know what is the leading... See, any number that accompanies this is called the coefficient.
Wait, Andy, really quickly, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Before I've seen you, if it's like 5x to the 6x to the power of 3, but what if it was like 3y to the power of 3?
Oh, okay. So what is your question on that?
If it's different variables and they have the same exponent.
If it's different variables, like this, huh? Like this, huh?
5y to the power of something and
5?
y to the power of 2 plus 4x to the power of 2. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, in this case...
That seems mildly obvious in hindsight.
What is it?
Would it appear that seems mildly obvious in hindsight?
It's okay. So here, what are you asking? What is your question?
Which would we write first in the...
Oh, what should you write first? They won't mind either. You see what I mean?
Okay.
Either of this can be written first. But you bring up a good question. See, here either of it can be written, but is that... I have my own... I want to check on something. Meaning, if you have something like 5y square plus 4x square, it is very much acceptable if you write either. Okay, but is there a standard form in that case? I don't think there will. Wait. I don't want to misguide you here. If it is like this, right, Harshat, it can be written either way is my honest opinion on this. Okay, it can be written as 4x square plus 5y square. But as much as I see, right, as you move up to algebra 2 and all, right, you will be working with equations only like this. 4x cubed plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. You see, things like this you are going to work. So the standard form is always the highest degree of x, then the next highest degree, then the lower degree, then the lowest degrees. Okay, but given this, right, I will verify once and tell you if there is a standard form for these things. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now what did I want to do? I want to ask you some questions, right? Hold on. How about this? You're going to tell me what is the degree of this polynomial. Think well. Tell me. It's not a hard problem. You can tell me the degree of the polynomial.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you repeat your question again?
What is the degree of the polynomial, mother?
Oh, okay.
See, I'm not sure. See, because it may be in the case that you asked, right? I'll check and tell Harshat. I don't want to commit. See, it may be, see, in this case, right? 3x square y, 3x square y. This is what you're asking, right? 3y square x, right? This is what you're asking, right?
No.
What was your question?
Well, my question was, wait. Well, that could also work.
Yeah,
It was
that's what I
just
thought.
that,
You
yeah.
tell me your question. Tell me your question.
So it was different in a binomial or a polynomial, just greater than a monomial.
Please tell your question, Harshad.
The variables and the is different, but the exponents are the same.
Tell me one example.
So 3x to the power of 2 and 3 times plus 3y to the power of 2.
See, yeah, okay. So basically, either way should be good, or I would go with xma. This is x square, right? This is x power of 0, right? I would prefer writing it like this, basically. You got it?
Okay.
That'll be the standard form. You see, we'll base it on x. But if there is a change, I'll confirm next week. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah.
I prefer basing it on x. 3, yeah, 3, correct. Avyukt, yes, Avyukt.
I
Tell me.
have a question.
Yes, please.
So if we do the degrees only count from the monomials?
What do you mean by that? Meaning, I didn't understand your question. What do you mean by that?
Like, I don't feel like 3 squared is gonna be a monomial.
3 square is a monomial, right, ma? 3 square x power of 0. It's a combination of numbers and variables. And
Oh,
you got it?
yeah, now I get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here the degree is what? 3. Do you get it? Here x power of 0. So the variables exponent only you need to take into account. This is 0, this is 3, this is 1. Highest is 3. Avyuk, did you get that?
Oh, I thought you were asking for the total degree. Sorry.
Oh, no. The degree of the polynomial is the highest degree of the monomial present. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now what else I wanted to do? There are more. Let's see. Okay, I want you to be able to simplify. Okay, let's do that and then go. How about this? Okay, how about this, guys? Suppose if I give you minus 2y square minus 8y square plus y plus 2y. If I give you this, right, simplify means you have to combine the like terms. So who can tell me how will you combine this? Quick.
This becomes negative 10y over to the power of 2.
Plus 3y. Make sense? How about this? If I give you r square times 1 plus r, how do you do this? How do you take it inside? R square times 1 is r square.
Unknown caller.
R square times r is r cube. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, suppose if I give you this, how will you simplify this? This is so hard. Let's see. P square cube minus 4p power of 5 cube power of 4. It's a real test to my eyes as well. Okay, let's see. P square cube minus 4p power of 5 cube power of 4 minus 4 p cube. p square q cube. 1 second, guys. P square. I am not able to annotate. P square q cube. Okay, and then plus 3 p power of 5 q power of 4. Come on, guys. What do you want to do? How will you combine this? Simplify. How will you do this? Come on, guys. How will you combine this, please? Please, guys, you have to let me know. Come on, guys. How will you combine this? Is there a way to combine? You're going to tell me, please. I said you combine my
Wait,
terms.
Miss Priya, so for negative 4p to the power of 5 and the first and the next one negative 4p to the power of 2, do you combine those two?
No, you can't. Only p power of 5 q power of 4 will combine with p power of 5 q power of 4, or it can combine with q power of 4 p power of 5. You get it?
So it won't become negative 8. Okay.
It cannot. You see, if
Okay.
their exponents are different, it cannot. Meaning you cannot combine with a person whom you don't like at all, right? So it's like that. Yeah.
Okay.
They have to like each other. So, what can you combine with? What all can be combined? Quick.
Negative 4p
Yep.
to the power of 5, and
Yep.
then q to the power of 4 plus 3
Yep. This and
p
this
to
can
the
be
power
combined.
of
Good job.
5.
What will happen when you combine?
Negative 1p
Very nice. Yes.
10. Wait, no, I mean, yeah, 5, and then, yeah.
Then can you combine these two and tell me what is the answer?
Is it
P
negative
square q cube minus 4 p square q cube. This is like a 1, right, guys? 1, see what I'm asking you to combine is 1 p square q cube and minus 4 p square q cube. What is the answer? Nidhi, you can say. You know, right? Nidhi?
Minus 3p squared and q.
Yeah, q cube. That's it. This is the simplified form. Any questions, guys? Easy, guys, meaning you're just going to combine whatever they like. Let's say 4x square plus 3x plus 9x square. You can just combine these two. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13x square plus 3x. You got it? That's it. We'll stop here. So, you have just learned what are polynomials, degrees of polynomials, monomials, trinomials, binomials. That's it. You even know how to simplify. If you know how to simplify, you know how to add and subtract. When you add and subtract, only like terms combine. I did not give you homework on adding and subtraction. I just gave you homework on very basics of polynomials. We'll see next week. We'll do add, subtract, multiply and divide polynomials. Any questions? Can I stop here? If you have questions, you can stay. Otherwise, you can log off.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Thank you, Auntie.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. See you all next week. Have a good week ahead, guys. Yes, Samanvi. What's up? Or are you? What's up?
We're checking on something.
Okay, Samanvi, I think she is always, she has that lag. I don't know. She takes time. Yeah, she's gone. See. Go ahead. Avyut, you wanted what, Avyut?
Weren't we gonna check on something?
You wanted what? You said AMC8?
Yes, you wanted to share something.
You want past papers, huh? You want
Past
some mock
papers?
papers, huh? You want some mock papers?
Yeah, sure.
You wanted something for AMC8, huh?
Yes. I mean, you told her you wanted to share something.
No, I saw your message on AMC8. Remember?
Yeah.
That's what I thought I'll share with you. That's all. You got it?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You know what? MC8 practice. Okay. Oh no, this is not the one. MC8. On what topic do you want? Do you want it on what topic do you want? Geometry or what do you want?
I want few questions on like algebra 2 and a few on quadratics.
Algebra 2 won't come, Mama.
Oh, it won't come?
Algebra 2 won't come.
It won't come? Then I'll just need some for like counting and quadratics.
But do you want some mock tests?
Yeah, that will help also. Thank you.
Okay. Mock test, maybe 3 mock tests I'll share with you. Does it do good?
Yes.
Share. I just want you to share it with only your email ID. What is your email ID?
Avyakt.ina.
.ina@gmail.com is good?
Yes.
Okay. I've shared 3 mocks.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a good week. How are you doing in school? Doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing good. On the math test,
Wait,
I was
what
able
is it?
to.
Oh, it never recorded this class. That's interesting. Oh, yeah, it is recording. Go ahead.